Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Artemakis, and today we'll be discussing how artificial intelligence, or AI, can significantly enhance efficiency in financial services. Among other, we'll explore the need for AI in this sector, its key applications, the benefits it brings, the challenges we face in implementing it, and future trends. Let's dive in and see how AI is transforming the way financial services operate. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing many industries, and financial services are no exception. Efficiency is critical in this sector, not only for improving customer experience, but also for reducing operational costs. In this presentation, we will explore why AI is essential for financial services, the various applications of AI in this field, the benefits it brings, the challenges we face in implementing AI, and the future trends that will shape the industry. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of how AI can make financial services smarter and more efficient. Financial services face several significant challenges that underscore the need for AI. Firstly, the sheer volume of data these institutions handle is immense, making it difficult to process and analyze efficiently without advanced technologies. Secondly, there are increasing regulatory requirements that necessitate robust compliance tools to manage and mitigate risks effectively. Thirdly, today's customers expect fast, personalized services, which traditional methods often struggle to provide. Finally, the competitive landscape in financial services is intense, and staying ahead requires continuous innovation. AI offers solutions to these challenges, driving efficiency and improving overall service delivery. AI has several key applications in financial services that enhance efficiency and effectiveness. One of the most significant applications is fraud detection, where AI enables real-time monitoring and anomaly detection, drastically reducing fraud incidents. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support, improving response times and customer satisfaction. For risk management, AI uses predictive analytics to enhance credit scoring and risk assessment, offering more accurate and timely insights. Additionally, AI helps in personalizing financial products and services based on customer data, ensuring a tailored approach that meets individual needs. These applications illustrate how AI is transforming the financial services landscape. Now let's look at a case study to illustrate the impact of AI in financial services, specifically in fraud detection. Traditional fraud detection methods are often slow and reactive, identifying issues only after they have occurred. In contrast, AI offers real-time detection and significantly faster response times. For example, financial institutions that implemented AI algorithms to monitor transactions saw a substantial reduction in fraud incidents. By flagging suspicious activity instantly, they were able to respond more quickly and effectively, demonstrating the powerful role AI can play in enhancing fraud detection and improving security. AI integration offers numerous benefits to financial services. Firstly, it significantly improves operational efficiency by automating routine tasks, thereby saving both time and resources. This leads to substantial cost savings as manual processes are reduced, lowering operational expenses. Additionally, AI enhances decision-making capabilities by providing accurate and timely insights, which are crucial for strategic planning and risk management. Customers also benefit from AI through faster and more accurate services, which boost satisfaction and loyalty. Lastly, AI provides better tools for regulatory compliance and risk management, ensuring that financial institutions can navigate complex regulatory landscapes more effectively. These benefits collectively highlight why AI is a valuable asset for financial services. While AI offers many benefits, there are also challenges to consider when implementing it in financial services. One of the primary challenges is data quality. AI systems rely on accurate and clean data to function effectively, so ensuring data integrity is crucial. Regulatory concerns also pose a significant challenge. Financial institutions must navigate complex regulations and ensure compliance, which can be daunting. Additionally, there is a skill gap in their workforce. Implementing and managing AI systems requires trained professionals, and there is currently a shortage of these skills in the market. Finally, cybersecurity is a major concern. As AI introduces new technologies, it also brings new types of cyber threats. Protecting against these threats is essential to maintain security and trust. Addressing these challenges is key to successfully leveraging AI in financial services. As we look to the future, several trends are set to shape the role of AI in financial services. One significant trend is the integration of AI with other emerging technologies like blockchain and quantum computing. These integrations can provide even more robust and secure financial solutions. AI-driven decision support systems will also become increasingly important, helping institutions make better strategic decisions based on comprehensive data analysis. Regulations around AI are evolving, and financial institutions will need to adapt to new standards and compliance requirements. Staying ahead of these changes will be crucial for maintaining regulatory compliance and avoiding potential pitfalls. In the long term, we can expect continued growth in AI adoption and innovation within the financial sector. AI will drive more efficient operations, enhance customer experiences, and foster new financial products and services. Embracing these trends will ensure that financial institutions remain competitive and relevant in an ever-changing landscape. As a concluding remark, we can definitely say that AI significantly enhances efficiency in financial services. To this end, financial institutions should embrace AI to stay competitive and meet future challenges. For more insights on AI, databases, programming, and tech trends, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Stay tuned for more knowledge-packed content.